tomorrow we are going to have a special drive, recovery drive, and we are called all the recoveries taxation section to come tomorrow. And we'll have two teams, one will be in Margam city and one will be in Fatorda city. And our window will be open for anybody to pay. The time will be from morning 9:30 till 1 o'clock. And we also ask the councillors if they are interested to join us for the recovery of our money which is pending. So tomorrow it will be a special day for the Margam Municipal Council.
There is this thing that municipality doesn't have regular recovery staff.
We are actually written to the DMA asking for a recovery officer. So we will be getting a recovery officer sanctioned by the DMA.
Margam Municipal Council has started a drive for the last 1 week, and our staff is going on the field, approaching all the business establishment to pay whatever dues they have to pay. I have seen there are lots of dues to be paid to this municipal council. People have ignored it, or I do not know if there is any reason. COVID has already subsided. Now it is high time they have to come forward and pay their annual dues. There are some areas for the last 2-3 years, and this areas has gone to such an extent that I am helpless now. So I have done my best. I appeal to the public. I have sent my staff to door to the establishment, but still people have not paid. I am not that satisfied with the recovery that is coming. This month also we had a very tough time to pay the salaries of my staff. Till date I could not pay the salary wages of our daily and contract basis. So I am trying my best, and on Saturday we have fixed a special drive. All my staff will go to tomorrow being Saturday, when we are having a off day in the office. Our person will visit each and every establishment. I am trying to cover up maximum area from Margam Municipal Council, so that by 15th I am giving them the deadline. Those people who have even received a notice or not received a notice, they have to come forward. Some business establishments are conducting the business without any trade license. So let them come forward. Every citizen has the right to pay whatever dues to the municipality. They pay every month the electricity, water bills, mobile recharge. They are doing every monthly, and this is an annual affair. 31st March is the year ending. So from 1st April they had to pay. So for the first 3 months there is a relaxation. I had given the relaxation because of COVID. There is some fine also. That fine also we have waived up to August 31st. So now it is September 1 month. So they have to pay the fine. This is already started now. But people are, I don't know what I can say. People are not ready to come willingly to the municipal council. Municipality is doing their best to collect the garbage. We are keeping our city clean. If there is any lacuna, people are calling me to clean the garbage. Door-to-door garbage cleaning has been taken up, and I think people are. I am not receiving any complaint. That means public are satisfied with our work. So similarly, they have to also voluntarily come and pay the whatever dues they have to pay. It is I request all the citizens of Margam and Fatorda to willingly come forward and pay their whatever dues. Tomorrow our office will be open. We will be accepting this whatever payment of dues, whatever taxes we will be accepting, and I will be also sending my staff to each and every nook and corner of this Margam and Fatorda. So my sincere appeal to all the public to don't force me to take any coercive steps. I have no other this thing, because the collection of the taxes has become a very sorry state of affairs, and I have tolerated this for so long. I think our newspapers are carrying my appeal to each and every people that this is the public notice I am giving. Don't wait that there is no notice served on you. Take this as an opportunity that I have served a notice on the public on the news. See, I have also requested our councillors to come forward and help me to do the recovery. Yes, there are some councillors who themselves are collecting the dues from the whatever taxes and paying it in our treasury. I am happy that our councillors have also come forward to assist me. My chairperson has fully supported me, and he has told me that he is fully with us. We are doing it together. There is no any this thing. This is for our municipal council, welfare of municipal council, and every councillor has assured me that they will help me tomorrow also to make an appeal to their own citizens whoever are in the wards to pay their dues. Some people are not doing their duties, but I have issued some memorandum notices to my staff also, Shokar notice to come. I had a team of some employees who used to go to door and serve the notices, but there is no response. There is no feedback. I don't know whether they are really serving the notices or just going there and wasting their time. So yesterday also I have seen that there is no any much effective or responsibility from them. They are just going there. Whether they are served or not, they are not coming and this thing, giving the report, how many notice they have served per day. They could not satisfy me yesterday.
So tomorrow what time it will start?
Our office will start from 10 o'clock, 10 to 1 p.m.